Hey guys, Ed here from Jonard Tools. Today I want to talk to you about our TK-RJ550 VDV cable termination toolkit. This toolkit has everything you need to prep and terminate a CAT5 or CAT5e network cable. The kit includes the following: your modular crimper, part number UC-4569. This crimper is designed to crimp standard as well as pass-through RJ45 connectors. Also comes with a jar of 50 RJ45 pass-through connectors for CAT5 and CAT5e cable. It comes with our CST-1i jacket stripper, our ES-1964 ERG ergonomic scissor, our EPD-914 punch down tool, and our EPB-110 110 type punch down blade. All this comes in our H-20 handy tool case. Tool case has zipper in the front that has an extra pocket so that you can store additional items. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, comment below.